Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet an easy baby blanket pattern. This stitch is called tulip stitch and it's very easy, and you can use it for blankets or scarves or shawls or anything you want. I use two colors for rows of tulips. You can use one or two or three colors. I use Ali's Baby Best yarn for this project and 3.5 millimeters crochet hook. You can use any yarn and any crochet hook you want. If you're ready, let's get started. For the beginning, I make a slip knot and then chain a multiple of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and continue until reach the desired width. I made 39 chains totally, and now skip first chain from the hook and make a single crochet into next chain and single crochet into next, single crochet into next, and keep going. I make a single crochet in each chain across. Continue until the end. At the end I have 38 stitches, one less than starting chains. Chain 1 and turn the work and make a single crochet in first stitch and single crochet in next, single crochet in next, and keep going. I make a single crochet into each stitch until the end of this row. At the end, I want to change the color, so make last single crochet into last stitch of previous row, but don't complete it, and grab the green yarn and pull these 2 loops on the hook, then chain 1 to secure it, and now chain 3. Turn the work. Now skip next single crochet and make a V-stitch into next single crochet. For the V-stitch, yarn over, insert the hook into next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop and make a double crochet, then chain 1 and make another double crochet into same stitch. This is a V-stitch. Then skip next 2 stitches and make a V-stitch into the next. 1 double crochet, 1 chain and make another double crochet into same stitch. Again, skip next 2 stitches, make a V-stitch into the next. 1 double crochet, 1 chain and 1 double crochet into same stitch, and keep going to make V-stitches. Okay, I repeat that until the end and then I'll come back. At the end I have 12 V-stitches, and skip next stitch and make a double crochet into last stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, but don't complete the double crochet because I want to change the yarn, and grab the next yarn for the flower and pull through these 2 loops and chain 1 to secure it. Now for tulip flower, I make 3 chains and then 1 chain. Actually I made 4 chains, and now turn the work, and I want to make a cluster stitch in chain 1 space here between these 2 double crochets. For cluster stitch, yarn over, insert the hook into chain 1 space, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through, but don't complete this, yarn over again, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, one more time, and for next time and last time. I repeat that 5 times totally, and now I have 6 chains on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all of them. Okay, then chain 2 and make a cluster stitch in next chain 1 space. Here, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I have 6 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all of them, chain 2, and make a cluster stitch into next chain 1 space. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yarn over, pull through, and chain 2, and repeat this sequence for other chain 1 spaces until the end, and then I come back. Okay, at the end, after last cluster stitch, make a chain and then make a double crochet into starting chains of a previous row. Yarn over, insert the hook into 3rd chain and make a double crochet, but don't complete that because I want to change the yarn. So grab the white yarn and complete this, and then chain 1 to secure that. Okay, for next row I want to repeat row 1, so chain 1 and turn the work and make a single crochet into 1st stitch here, then make a single crochet into this space, chain 1 space between double crochet and cluster stitch here, then make a single crochet in top of next cluster stitch here, insert the hook and make a single crochet, and make 2 single crochet in next chain 2 space between these 2 clusters here, 1 and 2. Again, make a single crochet in top of next cluster and 2 single crochet into next chain 2 space, 1 and 2. Single crochet in top of next cluster, 2 single crochet into next chain 2 space, and repeat that for other stitches and other spaces. I make a single crochet in top of each cluster and 2 single crochet into each chain 2 space until the end. Okay, at the end, after last single crochet on top of last cluster stitch, I make a single crochet into this space, this chain 4 space, and then make a single crochet into 3rd chain of chain 4 at the beginning of previous row. This chain 3 counts as 1st double crochet, so I make a single crochet into that and chain 1 and turn the work and make a single crochet into 1st stitch and each stitch of previous row. I make a single crochet into each stitch until the end. At the end, I want to change the yarn, so don't complete this last stitch and grab the next yarn. I want to repeat a row of leaves, so grab the green yarn and pull through these 2 loops, then chain 1 to secure that, chain 3 as a double crochet, turn the work, and I repeat this row because I want to repeat this pattern one more time. Skip next stitch and make a V stitch into the next, 1 double crochet, 1 chain and double crochet into same stitch, Again, skip next 2 stitches and make a V-stitch into the next. Skip next 2 and make a V-stitch into the next, and repeat that until the end. And for next row, I have to repeat this row of clusters for tulip flowers, and then I repeat these 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I repeat these 4 rows several times until the height of this pattern reaches the desired size. Okay, I repeated row 1 to row 4 3 more times. You can repeat that until you reach the desired height for your project. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and thumbs up. Have a nice day.